Hello everybody, my name is Thomas and today I want to show you a short video on a cold air intake for a 2006 Honda Accord. I started looking a few weeks ago, maybe a little over a month ago. Saw some for $150, almost $300. Finally found one for $54.99 on Amazon.com. Purchased it, installed it. It's awesome. I checked my mileage before I installed it and I was getting 27 miles to the gallon prior to the installation. Afterwards I've checked it and I'm getting just over 30 miles to the gallon. So that's a 3 miles per gallon savings, which is real substantial considering the fact that I drive over 400 miles a week. It's my everyday car. Also, I got the advantage of increased horsepower. I can't tell you how much extra horsepower I got, except that I can feel a difference in the response. I can feel a difference in just the power of it, and you can hear a difference too, which is kind of cool. But anyways, I will take you there in just a minute and show you the air intake and just kind of describe the installation. It was real simple. All I needed was a screwdriver. You can use a nut driver, screwdriver, whatever, either one. But you use the same tools for taking the old filter out and installing the new air intake. Okay, the one I purchased off of Amazon is for Honda Accords from 2004 to 2007. It's from RL Concepts. It's a short ram air intake with a filter. Like I said, it was $54.99. And it'll more than pay for itself in just a few weeks. It'll pay for me because I drive so many miles. It might take longer for you, depending on how many miles that you drive. I also had to replace the main air intake hose. It was $15.80 again off of Amazon. Went to Advanced Auto and it was $40 and some change. I told them to forget it. I had already priced it on Amazon, so I purchased it off of Amazon. Anyways, let's go take a look at it and go from there. Okay, this is the old air filter compartment. Air comes in through here from underneath the car, actually through the front, and comes to the engine through here. There was a air sensor, mass airflow sensor, I believe is what it's called, but it's attached right here with two Phillips head screws. There are 3 places where 10mm bolts were holding this compartment in. One was here, up there, one's right here, and one's right here. Those are the 3 10mm bolts that hold the compartment in. You just pull it, the hose attachment off here and the hose off of here, the main hose off of there, and that's it. This joker comes out real easy. Then you the air intake is installed right here to the main hose with the filter, of course. The sensor attaches right back here with the two I used 2 new Phillips head screws. These are extra parts that were left over, I guess. This thing is made for 2004 through 2007, so I guess maybe you might need them with a different year model. Mine's a 2006. I did have to replace this main hose. I think I said it once before, but there was a crack in the old one. I bought this off of Amazon for $15 and some change. Advanced Auto wanted $40 and some change for that same part, exact same part. Anyways, this is it right here, man. It was so easy to put in. I get better gas mileage. Like I said before, I get 3 miles to the gallon better than I did before I installed it. And increased horsepower, like I said before as well. I don't know how much more it gives you, but you can sure feel a difference, and it sounds better too. For $55, it took me less than 15 minutes to install it. This thing is awesome. I would encourage anybody that's thinking about it to go ahead and do it. It's awesome. Anyways, until next time, God bless.